Okay, in the previous video we learned how to enter data in an array, correct? Now we want to learn how to display the data. Okay, display array. So we want to display the data that we have in the array, correct? The same thing. Use a for loop, correct? And the same formula. Okay. If you need to know more about arrays, you have to see your note, see the presentation, and also I have you have more example in my programming lab. Okay. So now to display the data in the array, just you can set, for example, you want to display, for example, the elements in the array, correct? Okay, so system.out.println line. Okay, you want to display all the elements in the array. So this for loop is going to run 3 times. So you want to display the first element, second element, and the third element. Okay, what is the array? This is the array, correct? And then the reference variable, right? NAList, correct? No, we have NAList there. What do we have to put inside the bracket? Remember the index of the array, correct? So the index starts 0, 1, and 2, correct? So we have to type here an index. So always, when we want to display the data for an array, just do a for loop, the same formula, index less than size, the size of your array, okay? You create the array here with the size 3 in this case, increment by 1, this is a simple for loop, and then display the data in your array, the reference variable for your array, and the index. So let's gonna run. Now I said enter a number 3, 4, 10, and then you see the data here. So we can put here system.out, display the data in your array, correct? Let's not run again. Enter a number 5, 6, 40. Five, 6, and 40. Displaying the data in your array. So if you don't want to display the data like this and everything in one line, you can use here concatenation, correct? Correct. So when you run that again, run file, enter a number. What happened? What happened here? Because we don't use print. Run again. Now what happened? Displaying the data in your array 5, 10, 60, and 10 in one line. Correct? So, okay, so I hope this video helped you. Thank you.